Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can fix missing features in your iPhone. So for example, I'm on notifications right here within my settings, and with the new iOS 18, there should be an option for me to have a prioritized notification, but it's not there. And there are several things that actually might be missing on this iPhone right now, and it's pretty much due to one thing. So if you notice that there's a certain feature that your iPhone doesn't have, for example, maybe you also don't even have Apple Intelligence, the first place that you're going to want to start is by going into your settings, and you want to make sure that you don't have an update available. So right now I'm in settings. To check and see if you have an update available, then you want to scroll down to where you see general. If I tap into general, I'll then see this little menu right here that says software update. Now this is where your iOS updates are going to be if you have some available. Now when I go into it, I'll notice that sure enough, there is a new iOS 18.4, and it's with the iOS 18.4 that prioritized notification feature will be. So that's the reason why I don't have it right now. And if there's a certain feature that you are missing on your iPhone, it's either one of two things. You're either just not fully updated to the newest iOS, or it could be possibly that you just don't have a newer iPhone that can have that feature. So for example, some of the older iPhones, they wouldn't allow, or they can't run Apple Intelligence. Okay, so those are the two main things. First and foremost, always just go and update your iOS. If it's still not there after that, then it could just be because your iPhone is not new enough to be able to support whatever feature you're missing. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.